Find the general solution. Y log y dx minus x dy is equals to 0. So this is the given equation. So what we do is we put h dy to the right hand side and put y log y to the right hand side as well. That is, it will go in the denominator. We bring x to the denominator as well and keep dx in the left hand side only. So what we have is 1 upon y log y dy is equals to 1 upon x dx. Now what do? We have the y and x terms separate on both the sides. So what we do is put log y is equals to t. Okay, and 1 upon y dy will be dt. So integrating dt by t is equals to 1 upon x dx. So dt by dt upon t, that is 1 upon t dt, will be log t. Integration will be log t is equals to log x plus log k. Log k is the constant, plus c, as we write plus c, so this is the constant log k. Then common logs property, we bring log x plus log k will be xk, and then we just take the antilogs and the log will get cancelled. So t is equals to kx, t is log y, so log y is equals to kx. This is the general solution. Thank you.